In this video, I'll be showing you how to get better drums and better 808s than usual on Bangla Mobile. First up, you want to head to Virtual Instruments and come to Drum Pads and use this drum. Bro, I hate it when it does it. I cannot see what's going on. Let me just change this up and hope that the color changes, shall we? The reason I'm doing this is, as you all know, I am blind, so I can't see what is happening in the MIDI when I do it, and I don't want to record live. You know, right now to do this, we're not going to be recording. Where is it? Okay, that looks better. First up, we're going to bring the volume up and leave it as it is. Alright, so first let's get the rhythm that we want the 808 to play. Let's see if that's good. No. No, remove that. Well, before we add the snare and hi-hats and those type of things, we're gonna need to make sure that it's in the rhythm that we want our 808 to play in. Let's move this one back. There we go. Now let's get an 808 going, shall we? Go to Virtual Instruments, 808, and where's that other one? I'm pretty sure it's this one. No, it ain't. Yeah. Alright, let's first up bring the volume all the way. I do have another idea to make it nice, but let's just first get the kick copied. So you want to copy and paste. Open its piano roll. Select all of the notes. Yeah, those are not in a good thing, in a scale. Just go ahead and select every note first. And which note do we... There we go. Now let's make sure these notes don't lead into each other, shall we? So let's first start by extending this one. There we go. Same with this one. There we go. These notes shouldn't lead into each other, else it's not going to sound very good. What did I just do? Let me quickly undo that. Undo that as well. You know what? Here we go. Make this play out for the rest of the bar. Alright, there we go. Here's our 808 pattern. Why the hell is it a... Did I make it loop on accident? Well, before we do anything, we should first move random notes around. There we go. Let's quickly go make an unloop by tapping there where it's looping. Here we go. There we go. But now we want some extra things, you know. But to be honest, you know, it has too much punch. So let me quickly. Here we go. That's a bit better. But I kind of want to change this up for something else. No, this is gonna sound worse. You know, I don't usually use this one, but because of the error, it may sound good. Okay. Wait, what does it sound like? No, it just doesn't hit, bro. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now you can add effects. Maybe remove this one. Let's do that maybe. To add a bit. Using yes without the metronome. Yeah, I say we deal with that. Alright. Okay, that's good. I was messed up. Just ignore that, please. He probably wants to get in a call. Hey! 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 Alright, now we need hi-hats. I'm putting one on every every second note for an entire 16 notes. So basically you have to just, yeah, for an entire 16 notes. The entire 2 bars basically. Also, I am running Discord and I am making a group for YouTube. So if you're watching from YouTube and wanna join my Discord, I'll see if I can link it down below. These are drums. Alright, let's add some rolls. Alright, zoom in. Let's just first make sure that that's like that. Alright, that'll sound like. I'm quickly gonna go out the drums and make it loop, you know, like right there. Right? It should be looping, shouldn't it? Let me just quickly make it loop. There we go, I'm pretty sure it'll loop. It doesn't loop, why does it not loop? I want it to loop over there. Do I double tap? Please. Alright, you know what? I'm taking the easy way by using automation. Just makes it so much easier for me to see. Right, okay. Boom, I'm pretty sure. Hey, it still does not loop, unfortunately. How am I gonna make this loop? Maybe not a loop? It still does not loop. To bring up the... How do I make it loop there? I don't want automation, bro. Let's undo all that automation. Why? Okay, there we go. Like, I still don't get it. Why does it not loop? Bro. Nah, man, come on. Come on. Is it seriously impossible to make this thing loop? Please loop now. Nope. Okay, you know what? Screw it, bro. Screw it. No, it doesn't even want to play anymore. Why? No way I put my starting point over there. Oh my, bro. Here we go. I'm pretty sure now it'll loop. Please, bro. Please, just loop there. Loop. Nope, it does not. Why is my... Jeez, bro. Okay, but anyways, getting back to adding some hi-hat rolls. Let's make a super speedy roll at the end. Check it. Hello? Why is there a 16th note there? Okay, let me just add that there and remove that. Why did I do that? Hey. Okay, yo, that's sick. What? Check it. Alright, it's not what I want yet. Alright, you know, the only open ad I'm gonna have is the one at the beginning. There we go. But now you probably want to, like, I don't know, do anything? Get a more punchy hi-hat? Well, I got you, not a punchy hi-hat, a more punchy 808. The one is my favorite out of them all. But I'm looking for another one. Another one. Where's that other one I'm looking for? Is it this one? No, it's not that one. Here we go. Now look. Gonna quickly copy this one. No, copy this. Then paste it in. A bit too much space? Bro, I got ya. The only reason we're actually is to get a bit more punch. Let me just turn down this 808 a bit. I usually don't stack 808, but you know, it's to see if it ends good, you know. Did I just delete that? Oh no, I thought I deleted it. I need something with a bit more punch. You know, sure, let's use this one. I already copied that one, so let's just paste it in. Hey. You know, but I'm gonna change some settings for EQ for this one. Alright, let's go to EQ and bring this down as well as this. No, it's still not enough. Let's bring this down. Maybe I bring it up all the way. Why did these get undone? There we go. Maybe I bring this. Undo that. There we go. Maybe I make it kind of like fade in. You know, that one filter. What's it called? I can stack EQ on top of EQ. I never even knew that. Alright, let's. Just need one more EQ and then I believe I'm done with that. Nope, still not done. I don't want to hear the at all, like the... I only want to hear its bass and punch, you know. Maybe... I don't know. How much EQ have I got? Okay, quite a lot, not gonna lie. Let's add more. You know, let's add more. We're almost there, bro. We're almost there. Just need a couple more EQs and then we're done, you know. Still not there. Still not there. We're not there yet. Wait, let me bring this one in as well. Oh, so close. So close. Please be good. Oh, we're almost there. I still hear it though. Yo, nah, I thought I got that one. How much EQ are we gonna stack? Did that do it? Oh, just two more. I believe it's just two more. Please. I can't even stack more. Damn it. Okay, I wanted to add some other effects as well, but I can't. Okay, we're gonna have to work with this. We're gonna have to work with... I just had an idea. I can export that 808 as a file and then import it again, but you know, never mind. Just forget it. Here's what we got. There we go. Maybe we add some crash to the drums, you know, some like... Yeah, I say we do. You don't even hear that open hat. Maybe I put it there. Look at this, y'all. Ooh. Okay, well, there we go. If you want me to send this file over to you and allow you to even open in studio, let me know. Well, there you go. There's how to make a nice 808 and nice drum loop on Bangla for trap. Anyways, let's see if I can get this to loop. No, I believe I did. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to sub. Anyways, make sure to subscribe. Pause the damn thing. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment what you want to see in the next video. It's free and it helps me and you guys. I know it helps you guys or me. Well, it's my dream to get to 100 subs before the end of this year, so get me there, please. We only have 2 months left of the year. It's already the 5th. Yeah, it's already the 5th of November. We only have... It's 30, that's 26. We only have 56 days left of this year. Yo, please, get me to 100 subs before that. Well, anyways, up until next time, peace and see you guys next time.